In this video, we're going to see what is pie chart, and also we're going to see the uses of pie chart, and we're going to see how to represent pie chart using Python. So first of all, what exactly is pie chart? So pie chart is used in when you want to use in a categorical data, saying this or this. This one is this much. How much is this one? This much. So you can think that pie chart is a 360-degree circle that have 100% is divided by, you can see here. So this is a pie chart that we're going to do today. We're going to check how much of population, which one is most populated language in coding. We're going to see how much populated is Python. We're going to see how much populated is HTML or CSS. We're going to see JavaScript. We're going to see Java and SQL. So these are the 5 languages that we're going to see. We're going to see their population and how much percentage it is. So let's begin. Let me just go to my home page and create a new Python 3 file. Yeah, and over here, first of all, we have to import Matplotlib. So for that, let's go to the Anaconda prompt, and then you have to say pip install Matplotlib. Mine is already installed. After it's installed, what you have to do is you have to say from Matplotlib import something called as pyplot. So this is used for plotting many different, if suppose you want to plot a bar graph, many things, many different types of graphs, and I'm importing it as plt. Let's run this. This is the import that we need. This is the library that we need. And after this, we have to create 2 lists that says the population and the language of it. So let's just go, and from my reference file, I'm going to copy that up. So this is going to be the slices and labels. I have named this as slices and labels. So because like that is going to be the basic, the name that's going to be perfect for it. So let's just name it as population. And this one, let me just name it as languages. Yeah. And let me run this. So these are going to be the 2 lists that we need. And after this, we are just going to plot it up. So I'm going to say plt.plot. No, you're not supposed to say p. And then I'm going to say plt.py because you're going to plot up pi. And inside this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put population. That is the main one that we need to represent in the pie chart. We need the how much percentage is this, how much percentage is this regarding the population. So I have just put population inside that. And then I'm going to say labels. The label of this population is going to be the languages. Yes. And how should it check? So that one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say auto plt, and that one is going to be it's going to be a string. That's just a formula for it. Percentage of 1 dot 1f percentage. So this is how it's going to be. Type error pi gotten. Okay, sorry, it's going to be auto pct. So this is how it's going to look like. And now let's say that you want to set the label of it. So I'm going to say plt dot title. Let me just write it as my awesome pie chart. Like this. So this is how it's going to look like. You can just open this image in a new page. You can see it here. Or the thing you can do is you can save this image too. See, you can save this image, you can copy this image. So this is how our pie chart is going to look like. This is the population and this is going to be the languages. And this auto PCT basically represents how much percentage what we should take. So this represents saying that JavaScript is this much people have used, HTML or CSS is this much, SQL is this much, Python is this much, and Java is this much. So regarding that, we put this for knowing that for Python to know that this JavaScript have 59,219 people who are using it. So that's why we have put this auto PCT over here. That's going to it's going to say the pie chart's edge. So this is basically the edge of it. How much edge you have to calculate. So this is how it's going to look like. You can see there's a line over here, this much edge, Using this itself, we have calculated that this much edge is needed for this. So this is calculating that this is going to be this much, this is going to be this much. Python, using this, Python will understand the percentage of it. That's it. So yeah, now we know how to represent a pie chart, and we know what exactly is pie chart, and we know how to represent it in Python using Python code. That's great. Thank you, friends. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment below. Bye bye.